In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the heat map on Tradingview. The heat map is a fantastic tool that provides a visual overview of stock market performance, making it easier to spot trends and opportunities at a glance. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced trader refining your strategy, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to access, customize, and interpret the heat map effectively. And if you're new to Tradingview, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started right away. Now, let's dive in. First, let's look at how to access the heat map. Start by moving your cursor to the Products menu, which you'll find at the top of the Tradingview homepage. This is where the heat map tool is located, so it's the first step in getting started. Once you've hovered over the Products menu, click on it to open the drop-down. From there, select Screeners. This will bring up another set of options, and here, you'll want to choose Stock Heat Map. By selecting this, you'll open up the heat map, which gives you a powerful visual representation of market performance across different stocks and sectors. Now that the heat map is open, let's move on to customizing the display so it's tailored to your needs. Near the top of the heat map, you'll see an option labeled Source. This is an important setting because it determines which stock list is displayed on the heat map. Click on Source, and you'll be able to choose from predefined lists, such as major indices like the S&P 500, or you can create your own custom basket of tickers. This flexibility is great because it allows you to focus on the specific stocks or indices that are most relevant to your trading strategy. Next, look for the market cap filter. Adjusting this filter lets you refine the heat map to display stocks based on their market capitalization. For example, you can focus exclusively on large cap stocks, which tend to be market leaders, or zoom in on smaller cap stocks, which may be more volatile but offer greater growth potential. Take your time to experiment with these filters and set them based on your personal preferences. Remember, properly configuring these settings will help tailor the heat map to support your trading strategy. Now let's talk about understanding the colors on the heat map. The heat map uses a color coding system to give you quick insights into stock performance. You'll notice that stocks displayed in red are down for the day, while those in green are up. The intensity of the color often reflects the magnitude of the change. To get a clear sense of what these colors mean, check the color legend located in the bottom left corner of the heat map. This legend helps you quickly interpret the percentage changes associated with each shade of red and green, giving you precise context as you analyze the data. If you want to go a step further, you can even customize what the heat map's colors represent. To do this, open the Customization menu. Here, you'll find options to adjust the color coding to reflect different metrics. For example, you can set the colors to display percentage gains or losses, pre-market performance, or even relative volume. Think about what's most important for your analysis and adjust the settings accordingly. As you hover over each option in the Customization menu, you'll see helpful tooltypes that explain what each setting does. Don't hesitate to toggle between the options to see how these changes affect the heat map display. Moving on, let's explore how to group and navigate the heat map. One of the most useful features is the grouping option. This allows you to organize the heat map by sector. Grouping by sector makes it easier to compare how industries are performing relative to one another. Alternatively, if you prefer a broader overview, you can turn grouping off for a flat layout that displays all stocks on the same level. Depending on what you're analyzing, you can switch between these views to get the insights you need. When you see a specific stock that catches your eye, you can click on its ticker directly within the heat map. This will open up detailed information about that stock's performance, including its price history, earnings dates, and other key metrics. If you decide to explore individual tickers in depth, don't worry. You can always use the back button to return to the main heat map overview. This makes navigating between detailed stock data and the broader market view quick and seamless. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.